Welcome back everyone. Let's continue our design these two services website with Elementor Page Builder. So far that's it. This is what we have done, and let's continue this. Okay, next section is this with a red background color and few step-by-step process of these two services and few pictures of these two services. Okay, and let's duplicate this section, then go to style background and pick color history here, and this is the red color or red color here. Control P. Okay, delete this and duplicate this, say a column. Okay, like this. And here change the color to white, same here, change the color to white. Delete this. Okay, and here let's change the contents. Okay, steps of booking or steps of buying this tool package. Okay, and icon list. Here delete, change the icon to check here like this, and content, duplicate this. Okay, and space between 20, and icon size 20, icon color white, text color white, sorry. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, that's it. And next, here this is also step by steps. This we can do using different widgets, using header widget, text editor widget, heading widget, text editor widget, heading widget, text editor widget, or just one simple text editor widget. Here, for example, say let's delete this, all this. And okay, so like this, something like this. And here change to, for example, history. Same here, history. 3. And then maybe try H2. But yeah, it does not look good. So okay, so let's use heading widget and text editor widget separately. Something like this. Okay, and copy, paste, okay, copy, paste, copy, paste here. Copy, paste. Okay, and for the gap, go to section setting, layout, column gap wider, or custom here, custom wide %. Yeah, 10% gap between these two columns. Okay, something like this. Or this is the simple way, or leave this to default, and you can just simple, you can go to this column setting, advanced, and add margin here to the left about 100, something like this. There is this gap, and we can also try reduce the font size a little. Now for about 40, sorry, 40. 40, okay, and copy this, paste, sorry, paste star, paste star. Okay, it looks better. Yeah, and let's go to another section next. Yeah, somewhat similar to this section, so let's copy this, paste it here, and here, and 3 column section, that the icon box here is the icon box. Copy this, paste it here, icon position top, like this. Copy, paste, Face, most beautiful faces. Professional photographers. Full support. Okay, something like this. And next is this video section, video pop-up player. For this section, let's insert a single column section like this, then padding about 150 at the top, 150 at the bottom, maybe 200. Okay. Style, cover, centered, and video, send a video like this, explore and travel, and web, insert the video link here, and button, color, red, pick color history, copy this red, paste it here. Okay. Come back to a section setting. Here there should be some margin. We can add the margin to this top section or to this section. Margin about 50. Okay, like this. And install background overlay, gradient, white, black, no good. Okay, explore and travel. Okay, that's it. Next is this tour packages tab or WooCommerce product tab. This is a little complicated, so to accept this layout, to accept this design, there are many ways. So let's try some free ways to accept this in the next video. Okay, see you in the next video.